everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is my first vlog with my new camera. So yes, I hope that you will enjoy it. If you're new here, then make sure to subscribe. By the title you already know that where I am going. So now it's 10 o'clock and I'm on a bus, so let's go. Hey guys, good morning. Finally I reached Rishikesh. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and the camp where we are staying, we need to go there at 12 o'clock. So now we are at Lakshman jhula. So let's check out the view. The restaurant, which is near the Ram Jhula. That one is only the authentic one, and else there's a lot of other restaurants named as Wala, but they are not authentic. Now let me order my breakfast. I am still thinking that what should I eat. I'm having puri and aloo ki sabzi along with achar. It is just delicious. I'm super tired now, as I think I've walked for more than an hour to reach to the place where I'm staying, and let me show you that where I'm staying. So this is the tent where we are staying, and this is the view from here. And now I'm thinking to just relax for a while, 10-15 minutes, and then I will take you guys to a very beautiful place. So stay tuned. Bye. Hey guys, it's the afternoon time and I'm going for river rafting. Though I'm very afraid of water, still I've gathered all my courage and going to do that. So let's go. The weather now is really very nice. It's very windy but very hot, but the temperature of the water would be good. I mean that we can go and survive in it, but as the time will pass out, water is going to be very chilly, and I hope that everything goes well. क्या मस्त पानी है यार, है ना? पैर तो गीला हो ही गया. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed my rafting the way I did, because I really enjoyed a lot. I didn't expect it that I'm going to enjoy it this much, because but it was a really amazing experience, and I will highly recommend every one of you that if you come to Rishikesh or Haridwar, then do come to this place and stay in a tent like this for a day or a night, and especially do the rafting and other activities. It was an amazing experience for me and for every one of us. And now it's the night time, so let's see that what we are going to do now. I'm just sitting and relaxing, chilling with my friends. So yeah, now bye, we'll meet at the dinner time now. Hey guys, so I'm just having my dinner, and for dinner I'm having paneer. I ate 2 pieces of chicken, 2 chapatis, dal and salad. That's it. So guys, that's it for day 1. So now I am going to sleep. As you all know that I'm super tired. So good night, and we'll meet on my next video with vlog 2, day 2 of Haridwar. So bye, good night. Friends, I'll tell you all the details about my staying, where I'm staying in my next vlog. So make sure that you have already subscribed to my channel, so that you will be notified when I'll come up with another vlog of this.